Good morning, student. Here in chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, let we are going to discuss here the topic trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Let we are going to discuss here the trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. For that, let consider one triangle. As you can see here, we know that in this triangle, this right angle triangle, the angle B is of 90. Then we know that the sum of A and C is 90. So we can say that A and C are complementary angles. As we know that if the sum of any two angle is 90, then it is known as a complementary angle. So here A and C are complementary angle. Now for that, recall that two angles are said to be complementary if their sum equals 90 degree. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. So let according to angle A, we have the trigonometric ratio. As we know that all the ratios we can put here. Since angle A plus angle C is equal to 90, they form such a pair we have. So हमारे पास जो है कि जो हमें पता है कि एंगल ए प्लस एंगल सी कितना होता है कि 90, क्योंकि एंगल ए और एंगल सी है दोनों कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल है. Then the pair of trigonometric ratio as we have sin A according to angle A is BC upon AC, that is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to AB upon AC as a adjacent side to angle A upon AC, that is hypotenuse. Tan A is equal to BC over AB. Cosec A, that is a hypotenuse over opposite side AC over BC. Sec A is equal to AC over AB, and cot A is equal to AB over BC. So let us consider it is equation number 1. So we have the all the trigonometric according to angle A. Now we want to consider the trigonometric ratios according to angle C. But we know that from here the equation angle A plus angle C is equal to 90. What? Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90. So we can say that angle C is equal to 90 minus A. It is complementary angle. So we have, first we draw a triangle. Now let us write the trigonometric ratio for angle C is equal to 90 minus angle A. For convenience, we shall write 90 minus A instead of 90 minus angle A. We write here A instead of angle A. So let the trigonometric ratio will be, you will find that AB is the side opposite and BC is the side adjacent to the angle 90 minus A. Therefore, here we can say that according to C, BC will be adjacent side and AB will be opposite side. For that, sin 90 minus A, which is equal to AB over AC, AB over AC. Cos 90 minus A is equal to BC over AC. Tan 90 minus A, which is equal to AB over BC. Cosec of 90 minus A, which is equal to AC over AB. Sec 90 minus A, which is equal to AC over BC, and as well as cot 90 minus A, which is equal to BC over AC. So let we have here. Now from the equation 1 and 2, you can find the ratio equal. Here you can find AB over AC. AB over AC is equal to cos A from equation number 1. You can see that AB over AC is equal to cos A, as you can see in the figure in the equation number 1. BC over AC, in equation 1 you can see it is a sin A, and AB over BC it is as a cot A. So let me compare the trigonometric ratio from equation 1 and 2. Now compare the ratios in equation 1 and 2. We observe that sin 90 minus A is equal to AB over AC, which is equal to cos A, and cos 90 minus A is equal to BC over AC, which is equal to sin A. And also for the other trigonometric ratio, tan 90 minus A, which is equal to cot A, cot 90 minus a which is equal to tan a, sec 90 minus a which is equal to cosec a, and cosec 90 minus a which is equal to sec a. Means here if we subtract any angle from 90, if we subtract any angle from 90, then it is a complementary, then we put the complementary ratio of it, that is here we if we take sin 90 माइनस ए, अगर हम किसी भी एंगल को 90 में से सब्सट्रैक्ट कर ले तो उस कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री उसका रेशियो क्या आ जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे साइन है तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, कॉस है। वैसे ही अगर कॉस में जो उसका एंगल है उस 90 माइनस एंगल कर दे तो उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्या हो जाएगा, साइन है। तो हम कॉस 90 माइनस ए की जगह पे क्या लिख सकते हैं, साइन ए लिख सकते हैं। वैसे ही सभी जो है यहाँ पे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, टेन का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कॉट, कॉट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टेन, सेक का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कोसेक और कोसेक का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री सेक। तो इस तरह से हम जो है कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स, ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स वी कैन डिफाइन इट। सो वी हैव, so that we have sin 90 minus a which is equal to cos a. If there any value, such value there is given that sin 90 minus a that is any one angle, so we can easily write cos a instead of that. If cos 90 minus a, then we can write sin a, tan 90 minus a, then we can write cot a, cot 90 minus a, then we can write tan a, sec 90 minus a, then we can write cosec a, and cosec 90 minus a, then we can write sec a. So these are known as a complementary, this trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. For all values of angle A lying between 0 to 90, check whether this holds for a is equal to 0 or a is equal to 90. Let me check that. Not that tan 0 is equal to 0, tan 0 is equal to 0, which is equal to cot 90. As we can see here, sec 0 is equal to 1, that means cosec is equal to 90, and sec 90, cosec 90 and tan 90 and cot 0 are not defined. Sec 90, cosec 0, tan 90 and cot 0 are not defined, as we can see from the table. Now let us solve some example. Let example 9, evaluate tan 65 over cot 25. We know that cot A is equal to tan 90 minus A. We have cot A is equal to tan 90 minus A. So let me put A is equal to 25, cot 25 which is equal to tan 90 minus 25 which is equal to tan 65. Now let me put cot 25 is equal to tan 65 in equation. Tan 65 over cot 25 which is equal to tan 65 over tan 65 which is equal to 1. Example number 11, express cot 80 cos 85 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratio of angle between 0 to 45. Means we are going to take the complementary of cot and complementary of cos, then we can write it between 0 to 45. So let cot 85 plus cos 75 is equal to its complementary cot 90 minus 5. 85 means cot 85 means 90 minus 5, cos 75 means 90 minus 15. So cot 90 minus any angle, it is 10, that is tan 5, and cos 90 minus 15, and it is sin 15. So by this way we can solve such a trigonometric equations. Now let exercise number 8.3. Show that tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree and tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. So let we have to, what we can do here. So let tan 48 means we can write the complement of it. We write here, you can see that tan 48 and here tan 42. So we can write one of it complementary, one of it complementary. because 48 plus 42 it is 90, so we write one of them its complement, and here 1023 and 1067 means we write one of them its complementary. So 1090 minus 42 it is equal to 48, and 1043 that is 1090 minus 63, 1042 into 1067 cot 42 into cot 67, 1042 into 1067. So cot 42 into 1042 and cot 67 into 1067. Here we can find 10 into cot into 10 is equal to 1, because 10 and cot are reciprocal of each other, as we know that 10 and cot are reciprocal of each other, then its multiplication is equal to 1. So here also 10, because and angle also similar, so cot into 10 equal to 1, then its answer is 1, that we have verified. Now also as well as the second one, cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. So let we write one of them complementary. Let cos 90 minus 52 and cos 90 minus 38, that is 38 and 52 minus sin as well as, so here it is sin 52 into sin 38, so we can subtract and let we put it as 0. So by this way, using this method we can find or we can prove such equations. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Find the value of a. Now just let, if we here put complementary of 10, then both side we find cot equal to cot, and by that way we can compare both the angles, then we can find the value of a. So let, given that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, so let we put here, we know that here given cot, we can convert cot into 10 or 10 into cot by its putting its complementary. So let tan 2a, tan 2a means cot 90 minus 2a, tan 2a means cot 90 minus 2a, which is cot a minus 18. Here you can find both the trigonometric ratio are equal, so we can compare the angles. For by that way 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18, so 180 is equal to 3, hence a is equal to 36. Just look at the given equation and try to find that how can we do this by using such a complementary angles and its property. Now tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90. Easy, just you can see that tan a is equal to cot b, we can convert tan a into cot a or cot a into tan a by complementary angles. So solution, given that tan a is equal to cot b, let we put the complementary of cot b. So tan a complementary of cot b is tan 90 minus b. So a is equal to 90 minus b, then a plus b is equal to 90. If sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Easy, let you put the complement of sec, given that sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20, so let you put cosec 90 minus 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20. Here both the trigonometric ratio are equal, so we can compare its angles. So 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20, and hence we can find a is equal to 22. 6. If a and b and c are interior angle of a triangle ABC, then show that Here we know that the interior angle, the sum of interior angle of triangle R is equal to 180. So let we want to prove that sin B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A upon 2. Let we know that the for a triangle ABC, angle B, angle A, angle B and angle C, and its sum is equal to 180. Now by that way we can write, we want to here B plus C is equal to A. B plus C is equal to A. So we take angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 minus angle A. We just move here. So here angle B plus angle C, we just divide. We also want to divide by 2. So just we divide both the side by 2. So angle B plus angle C upon 2. Here 180 by 2, that is 90 minus angle A by 2. Let we put sine on both sides. Sine of B plus C over 2 and sine of 90 minus A by 2. So we know that 90 minus A by 2, then we take its complementary cos A by 2. Cos A by 2. Hence we can prove them. Now you can prove such or we can solve such examples from exercise number 8.3. There are given some questions. Question number 1 and 7 similar to this. So let you solve this.